the elephant who loved to bake. In a lush, green jungle, there lived a joyful elephant named Ellie who loved to bake. Every morning, Ellie would gather fresh fruits from the jungle for her recipes. She dreamed of sharing her treats and decided to open her very own jungle bakery. With help from her friends, Ellie built her bakery using bamboo and leaves. Finally, the bakery was ready. Ellie named it Ellie's Jungle Treats. She started baking right away, making cakes, cookies, and bread. The delicious smell of baking drifted through the jungle. The first to arrive was Gary the giraffe, who loved Ellie's banana bread. Next came Harry the monkey, who went bananas for her muffins. Even Terry the tiger, who was usually grumpy, smiled at the taste of her berry tarts. Every day, more animals came to try Ellie's delicious baked goods. Ellie loved to see her friends happy and started trying new recipes. She made acorn cookies for Sammy the squirrel and bamboo cupcakes for Perry the panda. One day, Ellie decided to throw a big baking party. She baked all day, preparing a feast of cakes, pies, and pastries. The animals brought fruits, nuts, and honey to add to the feast. They all enjoyed the feast, sharing stories and laughing together. Ellie felt happy seeing her friends come together over her treats. The bakery became a place where all the animals felt welcome and happy. And Ellie knew that the best ingredient in all her recipes was love. Time to sleep. Good night, baby.